Okay, so we put the universal indicator into our vinegar. So this is our vinegar liquid. So if you look at it, it turned into kind of a pinkish light red color. So if we go over here to our indicator that we have on the computer, we're going to see that when we look at this, it's roughly, I mean, it's about where it is, where it says 2.9 to 2.5, around there. So it's not the brightest red, and it's not the orangest orange. So it is pretty close to what's on the indicator, on the pH values, okay? So that's what the pH is of this vinegar that we have here. So we're going to say that we start with 2.9, 3 probably. We round up to the whole number, so it's about a 3 on the pH scale. So the directions tells us to use a spoon to drop it in there, not to drop it in there, but to place into the jar. I'm going to start with the water one. So I'm going to put this egg right in there, and it is submersed. And we're going to do the same thing with this egg. So oops. So I'm going to drop that in there. So I've got the egg in the vinegar. I've got the egg in the water. So they both are submersed. So they're in the water. And if you noticed, when we first dropped it in, the vinegar egg is bubbling, or there's little bubbles coming off of it. And the water, the egg that's in the water, there is no bubbling. I mean, you see the bubbles on the outside of the, or on the inside the glass container, inside the beaker. But if you look over here, you can see that there's some type of reaction going on once we drop the egg into the jar of vinegar. So it says, it doesn't tell us anything about the timing, but right now the time is, I've got 9:15 p.m. And so we're going to recheck this, give it some time. I would say probably we'll leave it in overnight. We'll see what happens overnight. But these are the experiments that are in our science this week. And it all goes back to ocean acidity. The more acid something is compared to more basic or neutral. So think about these certain items as we go along in our lessons. Okay, we'll recheck in the morning. I'll check it again at 9:15 in the morning to see what it looks like. See you tomorrow.